Welcome back to English Nest Podcast, everyone. Today we're talking about something we all do every day. Our jobs.
Yeah, this is a great topic, Emma. So many learners want to talk about their work, but they don't know the right words.
Exactly. So today we're going to learn simple ways to describe your job, your daily tasks, and your workplace.
And it's all in easy, clear English. So just relax and listen with us.
Okay, Jack, let's start simple. If someone asks you, "What do you do?" What do you usually say?
Well, I usually say I'm a podcast host or I work as a podcast host. Both are correct.
Right, that's a great tip. You can say, "I'm a teacher," or "I work as a teacher." They mean the same thing.
And sometimes people ask, what do you do for a living? It's the same question, just a little more formal.
Oh, that's a good one to know. So, Jack, what do you do for a living?
Very funny, Emma. I work as an English teacher and a podcast host. It's a busy life.
I love that. Okay, now let's talk about daily tasks. This is really useful for describing your day at work.
Yes, a simple phrase is, my day starts with. For example, my day starts with checking my emails.
That's so natural. I could say, my day starts with a cup of coffee and answering messages.
Coffee first, of course. Another useful phrase is, I'm in charge of. It means it's your job or your responsibility.
Right, like, I'm in charge of the social media page, or I'm in charge of new students.
Exactly. And you can also say, I'm responsible for. It means almost the same thing.
So, I'm responsible for planning the lessons, or I'm responsible for the team's schedule.
Perfect examples. You know, once you learn these phrases, describing your job becomes so much easier.
It really does. Okay, let's talk about the workplace now. Where do you work, Jack?
I work from home most days, so I can say, I work remotely, or I work from home.
Oh, nice! I work in an office, so I'd say, I work in an office, or I work at a company downtown.
And some people say, I work in a hospital, I work in a shop, or I work in a school. Just use in plus the place.
That's a simple pattern, very easy to remember.
Now, let's talk about the people at work. Do you have any colleagues, Emma?
Yes, I have a lot of colleagues. Colleague means a person you work with.
Right, and your boss is the person who manages you. You could say, my boss is very kind, or my boss gives us clear instructions.
I'm lucky. My boss really is kind. What about your team, Jack?
My team is small but friendly. Team means the group of people you work with on projects.
Great. Now let's learn some words about work time. Have you heard the phrase 9 to 5 job?
Oh yes, it means a normal job. From 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening.
Exactly. And you can say, I work full-time, or I work part-time, depending on your hours.
Right. I work full-time, but my sister works part-time, just 20 hours a week.
Good example. And there's also the word commute. It means the trip you take to work.
Yes, you could say, my commute takes 30 minutes, or I have a long commute every day.
My commute is so long. Every morning I say, my commute takes an hour by bus.
That does sound long. My commute is very short. I just walk to my desk at home.
That's the best commute ever. Okay, now let's learn one more useful word. Deadline.
A deadline is the time when something must be finished. For example, my deadline is Friday.
Right, or you could say, I'm working on a deadline this week, which means you're very busy.
Exactly. And when work is very busy, people often say, it's a busy day at the office.
Good phrase. Now, let's talk about breaks. Do you take breaks during your day, Jack?
Of course. I usually say, I take a break at noon, or I have a lunch break at 1 o'clock.
Same here. And after work, you can say, I finish work at 5, or my shift ends at 6.
Good point. Shift is another useful word, especially for jobs with different working hours.
Right, like I work the morning shift, or she works the night shift at the hospital.
Now, let's practice putting all this together. Emma, can you describe your job for us?
Sure. I'm a podcast host. I work in an office downtown. My day starts with checking messages, and I'm in charge of planning new episodes. My commute takes about 30 minutes, and I usually take a lunch break at noon. I really enjoy my job.
That was perfect, Emma. Now it's my turn. I'm an English teacher and podcast host. I work from home, so my commute is very short. I'm responsible for recording episodes and helping students learn English. My favorite part is talking with amazing learners like you.
Aw, that's so sweet, Jack. See, everyone? It's not hard to describe your job once you know these phrases.
Not hard at all. Just remember, what you do, your daily tasks, and your workplace. Those 3 parts make a great answer.
Perfect. Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
First, to talk about your job, say, I'm a, or I work as a.
Second, for daily tasks, use my day starts with, I'm in charge of, or I'm responsible for.
Third, for your workplace, remember, I work in an office, I work from home, or I work remotely.
And don't forget the useful words, colleague, boss, team, commute, deadline, and shift.
Great list! If you practice these phrases, you'll be able to describe your job clearly and confidently.
Yes, and remember, practice makes progress. Try describing your own job out loud right now using today's phrases.
Go on, pause the video and try it. We'll wait for you.
That's the spirit. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video and subscribe to English Nest Podcast.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode with us.
Tell us in the comments, what's your job? Try writing 1 sentence in English using today's phrases.
We'd love to read your answers. Thank you for being part of our nest today.
See you next time and keep practicing your English. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care and see you soon.